This 2022 Forest River No Boundaries NB 19.1 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, TV antenna, microwave, awning, external shower, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River No Boundaries NB 19.1 is 4,556 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.